So anyway, this is the back light is not working, so I've got to get it off of here and change the batteries on it, because you don't want to be riding without your light working. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to show you how to change a battery in this light on my bike. All right, so this is my bicycle light that goes on the back of the seat. To fix it, it's not working, as you can see. Pressing it, nothing's happening. So what you got to do is you got to pull this out. Bam. And then here, you pull this off and check it out. Here, let me show you. So here, you pull this off. Bam, got to replace that. So this one just comes out of there. I may need a little screwdriver to do it. So I've got a little screwdriver here. I just put it right in there like that. And it just pops out. Yeah, done. So one more time, it goes in like that. To get it out, I just go here. Done. Oh, look, there's another one in there. So there's two. Gotta get them both out. So I gotta pop it out like this. There we go. Almost out. Got it, done. Now, two of these that go in there. 1 and 2. So you got to put this side goes up. So you push that in, bam. And then the last one, bam, done. Just like that. Then I got to put the top on, like that. Oh, it's supposed to go on there. Let's see. There we go. Now it's working. All right, now I just got to put it back in here. Just like this. Push it in. Push it back in there. There we go. And now it's ready to go. Now I can put it on the bike. These, throw those in the garbage. That's how you do it. Oops. All right, here we go. We got to put it back on the bike now. This goes on the back of the bike. So check it out. A couple different modes. I'm going to leave it on that. I'm going to put it right there. It just goes around like that. And then I just got to get this over that thing right there. Just like that. Bam, done. That sits back. Press that button. And I'm lit. Ready to go. And there she is. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to change batteries and things. Peace out.